Julia here with Accessorize Your Life, and I have a recipe for you today that is sure to be a crowd pleaser for the holidays or any time during the summer that you want a nice salad and you just don't know what to make, but you want something different, but you want something filling. I've got it for you here. This is the Southern Cornbread Salad, and I do it a little different than the recipes I have found for it. What I like to do is add lettuce to mine, and I take a shortcut by using a store-bought salad dressing instead of making my own. So it looks its best when it's in a trifle bowl, but since I'm carrying this out today, I do not want to carry it in a glass container, so I will be using a Lock&Lock container with a handle lid. Okay, so how do you make this salad, you ask? What I do is I take my lettuce, wash it, clean it up really well. I'll just put some in this bowl so it's easier to show you. Before I start, about an hour or a day ahead, I make a box of Jiffy cornbread, and I just let it sit in the aluminum foil out. I take half of the cornbread, or about half, crumble it up in the bottom of the vessel that I choose. And I think I'm going to take a little bit more because that wasn't quite a half. Then I layer that with lettuce. And you can see how amazing this would look if it was in the trifle bowl, because you can see all the layers. From that, I like to take a little bacon. Drop any, certainly pick it up because I've cleaned my countertops. So that was cooked in the oven and cut up. I take store-bought shredded cheese. I layer that with it. You can go with any layering method you want. It's just that easy. You do not have to follow a recipe for this. And then I want to change up the color some. I'm going to take my red kidney beans, they're the light ones. I thought I had cut red. I know I forgot. My peppers, green peppers. Drop one. Corn. Canned corn that I've rinsed and drained, just like the red kidney beans. I've rinsed and drained those. And I am going to do my dressing on top, because when this is ready to be eaten, you toss it and the dressing goes all the way through the salad. And again, I'm using the Kraft Ranch with bacon salad dressing. And because I have bacon in here, this particular flavor enhances the taste. You do not need pepper, salt, or anything else in here. And I just put it no particular way, right on top. Just on top, because it's going to be shaken up and moved around. You want enough dressing, pretty much a whole bottle, to really coat everything. Spatula here and smooth this down. Then I use some bacon on top. Green onions around that. Everything just kind of scattered out. Add a little more cheese to it, and this will go on the top. So It goes, when we did a seafood boil and we had this, it's a little country boil, it was delicious with it. So